Today is World Oral Health Day. Today is meant to be a day to raise awareness of the issues around oral health. I recently went to a dentist office to speak to one of the dentists with Delta Dental of Arkansas to learn more about how they help their patients. Check this out. It's time to talk about our dental care one more time. We're here with Dr. Alley in his office in Breckenridge in West Little Rock. And you're part of the Delta Dental Network, and we wanted to come by here and check out your place. You've been in the studio. We're glad to be here.
I have, yeah.
This
is
good
to have you here.
This is wonderful. I want to talk to you about adult dental care. Sure. You know, sometimes we get ourselves in a situation where maybe we've neglected our teeth for too long. Maybe we're afraid of going to the dentist for one reason or another, or maybe we're just embarrassed. How can someone overcome that fear?
Well, you know, dental care is very important, and I know a lot of people are scared of the dentist, and sometimes they feel like they're embarrassed to come to the dentist, but there should be no reason to be scared or embarrassed. You know, we cater to cowards, so people come in here, we really take good care of them, and we set them at ease. You know, I think once they get in here and kind of talk to the staff and talk to us, you know, some people think, well, I haven't been to this so long, I'm probably hopeless, but you know, it's never too late to come to the dentist.
So it doesn't matter. If we haven't brushed our teeth in 5 years, you still say, come on in, we're going to treat you with kindness, and we'll be gentle with you.
Absolutely, absolutely. Nothing to be ashamed of.
So what are some of the things, now, maybe we're trying to get back on track. Give us some recommendations on how to come out of maybe a slump of not taking good care of our teeth.
Right.
What's the first thing we need to do?
You know, if you haven't been to a dentist in a while, obviously the first thing is to do is to make an appointment.
Sure.
Once you make an appointment, is to establish a relationship. You know, we kind of bring you in, we do a radiographic survey of your teeth. We do a clinical assessment, and from that we can develop a treatment plan. And so the treatment plan basically is going to be several options for you to get back on track. So it's you know, it's the first step of getting back to a healthy mouth.
And you're used to doing this.
Oh, we do it every day.
Every day.
Every day.
Not that big of a deal if maybe you've neglected your teeth. And your staff, super sweet, super trained up. They know how to take good care of folks.
They sure do. We have a really good staff, and they're very caring. They go the extra mile for our patients, and so I think they do as good a job as I do of setting the patient at ease about coming to the dentist.
So something I want to talk about, having dental insurance with like Delta Dental, for example.
Sure.
That has to help a ton when it comes to the financial burden of coming to because we don't want that to get in the way of us coming to the dentist.
Obviously it does, and Delta Dental is a great company to work for. As far as being a dentist, they take good care of us. They take good care of their patients.
Sure.
They take good care of the companies that provide the insurance, and so I think it's a win-win situation.
Yeah, it's great because the last thing you want to worry about is, can I afford this? And
Sure.
it makes it nice when you come into your nice office here. By the way, you've had some staff members that have been doing this for a long time.
I have. I've had staff members that have been with me over 20 years. Three of them have been over 20 years.
That's incredible.
So, yeah.
That just goes to show that you know how to run a business and take care of people. Okay, so final answer from you. How many times do we actually need to brush our teeth every day?
Well, you know, it'd be good to at least brush them twice a day, morning and night.
Okay.
Yeah, if you can get a third brushing in, that's always good too. A lot of times I tell people, you know, take a brush with you to work, and if you eat a sticky meal or whatever, you know, brush your teeth. But flossing, you know, you have to floss every day. It's a necessary evil. I know a lot of people don't like to floss, but
Sure.
You just have to floss.
Can I have candy? Is it gonna?
If you brush, you can have candy.
Okay, that's good to know. Dr. Alley, thank you so much for letting us come in and visit your beautiful office here. Remember, Delta Dental of Arkansas, they are here on your side to have great oral health.